Welcome to Alam's One, and in English to English vocabulary section, the word for today is knave. Knave. It's an adjective that means inexperienced, lacking information or instruction, or deficient in relevant experience. For example, he is totally knave about the laws. That means he doesn't know anything about the law. We cannot employ a knave person in our company. You should be expert in something so that you are not called knave. So the meaning of the word knave is inexperienced, lacking information or instruction, or deficient in relevant experience. If you have understood the meaning of the word knave, then try making a sentence or two and write it in the comment section below so that others can also get benefit from it. If you like this video, please do share it. And if you have not subscribed our channel, if you want meaning and definition of any particular word, then write it in the comment section below, and soon a video will be made of that word.